Welcome back. In this lesson, we'll be adding ribs to the bottom housing. Let's begin by showing the bottom housing. Right-click, Show Components. Now let's edit the bottom housing. Right-click, Edit Parts. Let's expand the top housing. Under Extrude 1, we're going to make Sketch 9 visible. That's the sketch we based our ribs on. Let's collapse the top housing. We'll expand the bottom housing now. And let's roll back above the shell. Now we're ready to design our ribs. Let's right-click and insert a sketch on the top plane. We'll select all 4 of these lines with a Shift Select. And select the Convert Entities tool. And let's exit the sketch. We've got a problem with the mate. It's between the bottom housing and the battery. Let's close this window. We'll insert an axis now. We'll use the front and right planes for our axis. Select them from the tree here. And click OK. Now let's select Sketch 4. Go to the Features tab, activate the Extruded Boss tool. And let's collapse the tree so I can see my model a little better. Make sure the extrusion is going in the right direction. Let's change it to 14 millimeters. And click OK. Now I'm going to select the axis. And then I'll activate the Circular Pattern tool. Bodies to Pattern. Again, I forgot to uncheck Merge Results on the extrude. Let's go and fix that. Click OK. Okay, where were we? Select the axis, back to the Features tab, activate the Circular Pattern tool, and let's select our Bodies to Pattern. This extrude. The number of instances, 25. Here's our preview. Let's click OK. Surfaces tab, Offset Surface tool. The distance of our offset will be 2 millimeters. And now let's select the surfaces to offset. There's my 3rd, 4th, 5th. And this one here. This here as well. Just a couple more. And click OK. Now let's activate the Extend Surface tool. 7 millimeters should do it. OK. Let's return to Insert, Cut, with Surface. Our surface is pre-selected. Let's change the direction of the cut. Use all bodies. Click OK. Now let's right-click and hide Surface Extend 1. Let's go to our Solid Bodies folder. We've got 26 solid bodies. I want to combine them all together. Shift-select them, right-click, Combine. Operation type, Add, and let's click OK. And now let's roll our line back down. And we'll have a look. Everything seems fine. Let's exit part editing mode. Okay, looks good. This concludes our lesson about adding ribs to the bottom housing. Just a few more details to go.